Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Samsung fridge. It's my French door fridge. In fact, I'm talking about the ice and water button. Before I get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos. If you like my video to the end, please help me out for thumbs up. So I have a French door Samsung fridge, and this is a viewer question. And the panel in the front over here, the water and ice panel, should match what you see inside: water, cube ice, and crushed ice. So let's get started. And before you do anything, you make sure you unlock the control lock. Just hold the button for about 3 seconds and it'll unlock. There it goes. All right, the water and ice button is right above it. So right now it's on water, and cube ice is the next one. So the picture is not very easy to see, but it matches the one you see in the front. If you hit the button again, it'd be crushed ice. All right, here you go, crushed ice. So it should be in sync. And if you hold the button anytime, it will lock out the display. And if you hit it again, you didn't hold it for 3 seconds, it will just go back to water. There it goes. Simple as that. Very intuitive. And if you want to lock the control again, so you want to hold the button on the bottom over here, hold it for 3 seconds, it will be engaged, or just close the door. Yes, I need to change the filter on the water, and that needs to be done. So basically this fridge has been working great. I haven't had any issues. I'm going on 6 years right now. And any questions or concerns, I'll do my best to answer it. I'm not Samsung. I'm just another person on YouTube, and I learned a lot on this fridge as well. Appreciate a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you any questions, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.